Good, you guys. Ross here. Um, Trade I'm in. I already traded today. Took some good setups. Um, I had one win, really one good win. I was already sitting at 600. Took a loss, came down back to 200. This is the last trade of the day for me. Um, this is the objective that I'm targeting here. So I took it on ES because it was better R to R. Um, but yeah, this was perfect. Green setup, easy. I like this a lot. So I want to see. Yeah, I would have definitely. I would. I mean, I could have took this on NQ, but it was just better R to R. Better R to R. It's way better. But more than likely, it's the last trade for me. Once NQ takes objective, if NQ takes out this before, might look to close. So we'll see. But it probably will take it, or I just really trail stop like super tightly. But I just wanted to show y'all. If I wanted to, this was a good trade, good entry, perfect setup. Change of state. Wanted to see this inverse. Only took it on ES just for because of the R to R was just so much better. Less risk. And I was able to get about the same amount of target. I was able to get about the same amount. So I want to see that stay open. You know what I'm saying? And we push up off of that. There we go. Don't want that I don't want that to be used as consequent encroachment of this wick. We might get that and we might start to trade down. So if that's the case, I will manually exit, but I'm not going to just yet. Break this high. Gonna put stop here now. Could be moving it early, but I want to see speed. I want to see speed now, right? We already tapped into this. I want to see this. We break away off of this, right? I want to see a speed. So I'm watching NQ as well. ES is the lagging index at the moment. NQ is kind of telling us what we're doing. Um, but realistically, like, yeah, if I would have took this on NQ target though, this was my target was like somewhere right here. You know what I'm saying? But no, there's no reason that we should be kind of coming back down into here. But yeah, I'm not moving my stop. I'm keeping my stop here. If anything, I would move it up. But if we get stopped out, I'm cool with this. I'm actually cool with this. I'm cool with this. If we get stopped out, you know what I'm saying? I'm not, I won't be mad at this. So just watching closely, trying to see what we can get. Um, Want to see us come back to we placing a new high, right? I want to see us complacent. I want to see us placing the new high. Because we do have the news at 10 a.m. Powell speaking. Good rejection. Really good rejection. We should better get some speed. Right. So it's officially lunch. Lunch macro has started. 11:50. New macro. So hopefully this macro pushes us up. Gives us, right? So why did I take this trade? We had this 5 minute. We tapped into it once. Want to see this stay open. We continue to stay open. Placing a bullish SMT. ES places in the SMT as well. Takes out this low. Wants continue want to see us continue up higher. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I'm trailing stop at this point. TP is right there. Yep, we hit TP. There we go. That's the trade, guys. You guys just seen it. Back at where I was before. You know what I'm saying? If I this would have been I would have had a way bigger day if I didn't take that unnecessary loss. But I'm perfectly cool with this. Y'all seen the trade? Hit perfectly. I just want to give y'all a little something. That macro pushed us up, gave us exactly what we needed, gave us the speed, proper R to R, perfect setup, perfect entry. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna trade. I think I might if I were to take a trade. I don't know because PM could be nice. If I were to take a trade, I mean 1 p.m. I don't know. And this was high of day. Definitely probably could have targeted that. But I just want to target this previous little macro that we put in. But that was perfect. As y'all see, good trade, good execution. I definitely would have been at over $1,000 day if I didn't take that unnecessary loss, if I was patient. But this was a perfect setup. Waited through all that consolidation. This 5 minute was holding up. We weren't looking to come any lower. So I said, boom, okay. Placing the SMT, it's a new low. Same thing with ES. Placing this SMT. Bullets change of state. Right. Once I seen this gap get inverse, I'm like, okay, this is a really good sign, right? It's just this gap was just a little more in premium, right? I liked how this was the first inversion fair value gap that price made, so I took that immediately. I knew once NQ did that, we're gonna go up higher. ES was a lagging index. Took it on ES because, like I said, it was better R to R, better risk to reward. So I took that easily. Green. As y'all can see, remember I took that payout, right? My account was sitting at what was it? Like 1,023. Back at 1,764.52 already on the new week. So doing pretty good, doing pretty good. So I'm gonna try and grind this account to about the next account but payout I need is around 2K, right? I'm not trying to do another $1,000. No, I want to like another 2K. So I want to do a bigger payout. So do a little more, go from there. And yeah, but yep, that was a good trade. It's happened to one of these homies. So I'll show you guys here's the perfect two trades that I took today. Show it to you guys. Took here on micros. So not this one, but out there on the executions. All right. So here was a loss that I took here, trying to short, but no, little mistake. But overall, here we are. This was a short that I took. This was money. This was like A plus short, A plus setup. I took it on micros because sometimes when it's like it was a reversal, most reversal setups, sometimes I like to take on micros because they're to me and are less probable. Um, but so I went in with three. We secured about $600 here, about $600 here. Took off two, and then I exited because I saw this inversion. But then we literally dumped because of the news, and this was my full TP was here. I took off two cons here, and then I took a loss here. Um, Entered here, exited some, and exited the rest here. So I took the loss here, right? So two different trades. So kind of basically like two losses, but one of these I accidentally didn't mean to even press the shit, but in and out. But I took a loss. This was the one I took the loss with. I actually tried a long off of here, right? I think yeah, I tried a long here and then got manipulated, stopped out, or I think I exited. I think I exited. Did something, and then waited, as you guys can see, saw ES, just took that win. So yeah, that was the trades for today. I don't know if I really want to. More than likely, I don't know. I feel like week is going to be an opportunity. This is going to be a really good week. It's a heavy news week, so I might trade every single day. I'm not sure. I'm definitely trading tomorrow. Tomorrow should be really good. Like we can pull up the news. You know what I'm saying? Powell speaks. So it's a lot of liquidity, a lot of volatility in the market. This is the perfect opportunity to be trading. And then Tuesday, got Jolt's job openings, you know what I'm saying? We have a lot. This is a hot, it's the first of the month. Yesterday was the first of the month, beginning of a new week, first of the month. Oh yeah. It's gonna be perfect. So a lot of opportunities. But this is the account balance that we're sitting at right now. You know what I'm saying? Feeling good. But like I said, I'm going to, hey, this is a real whole reason why I just want to get one more payout with this. And then I'm just gonna probably just, I'm not gonna like blow it. I'll hold on to this account, but I need a payout of like at least 2K. So trying to get a buffer about 4K, 4 to 5,000. Take out 2,000 to 2,500, right? If I were to get even a bigger buffer, I'll take even more, 3K, but take out a good amount, request that payout. Then I'm gonna go switch firms, gonna hop on Take Profit Trader, gonna buy about 2 to 3 accounts over there. Take Profit Trader is pretty expensive, but it's I've been doing research. I kind of like it. You know, the daily payouts. I want to try it out, so gonna buy like 2, 3 accounts with them. Go from there, and yeah. So made my first $1,000. So I finished the month so May, $1,000, right? $1,000 month. Something light, something calm, you know what I'm saying? Still profit, you know what I'm saying? Um, but now, eventually, you know what I'm saying? We're looking. See, as you can see here, this was that same reversal setup that we got. We're looking like we're gonna start to get it again. Let me see something. I'm gonna take this, but I'm gonna take this on the practice. I'm gonna see if it plays out again really well. So I'll pause just really quickly. All right. Yeah, because I can be showing information on there I don't want to show.